Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I'll show you how to make the scary clown voice effect. So let's hop over to our audio editor, Adobe Audition, and you'll see this is the video I'm referring to. There is a voice effect that we did for a client here, and it's had so many views. In fact, at the time of recording this video, hundreds of thousands of views, and many of you in the comments were asking, how is the voice effect achieved? So of course, you start off with a raw voiceover like this. I am a scary clown. You'd better run and hide because I'm going to find you, and when I do, I will get you. Now, obviously, there's nothing too scary about that yet. Yes, of course, delivery counts, so delivering it with a bit of oomph, enthusiasm, and maybe a little bit of a psychotic break in your voice will definitely help this effect. But of course, it's not a deal breaker. So when we got the voiceover recorded, we just hop into the multitrack here. Let's call this clown. And then it's just a standard multitrack, nothing special about this. And what you do is you go ahead and drag that in, and you drag it in 3 times onto 3 separate tracks. So you've got track 1, 2, and 3. And actually, if you like, we can delete the empty tracks. So let's do that so we can really focus in on these 3 voiceovers. So now you'll hear it triple tracked. I am a scary clown. Nothing different, maybe a little bit louder, but this is where the magic starts. We go to track 2 and we go to the effects rack, and then down here we look for the time and pitch, it's right at the bottom, and pitch shifter, and we click -2. This will give us a slightly pitched down voice. I am a scary clown. Okay, and then we'll go on to track 3, and we'll do the same. Let's go back into the effects rack for track 3, time and pitch shifter. This time we're going to pitch up by, let's say, 2 semitones. Let's solo that. I am a scary clown. Okay, so far not so scary. Put them all together and you get something like this. I am a scary clown. Oh, that's sounding very like the scary clown voice effect. Let's have a listen to a little bit more. You'd better run and hide because I'm going to find you, and when I do. So there you go. You can already hear this voice effect taking shape. Next, to make it even more punchy, we're going to pan this one slightly to the left and this one slightly to the right using the pan buttons there. You'd better run and hide. You get a nice stereo effect, which is really cool. Let's listen to some more. I will get you. And then just to polish this off, we go to the master track and we add a couple of effects on. I'm going to go ahead and go to modulation, flanger, really like the oral preset. Let's try that. I am a scary clown. Adds even more stereo kind of punch to the voice. And finally, to make it super spooky and scary and ready for Halloween or any kind of scare that you're doing, bit of studio reverb. The default preset will be fine for this. All the default settings will be fine. And you get, finally, something that sounds like this. I am a scary clown. You'd better run and hide because I'm going to find you, and when I do, I will get you. So it really is that easy to create the scary clown voice effect. Now go and do it yourself and let me know how you get on in the comments down below.